everyone, I'm Erin with 5 Parks Yoga. Thank you so much for joining me for class today. Today's class is perfect for you if you've been stuck at your desk, distance learning, or working on your computer, and you have a break between classes or business meetings. So let's get started right away. We'll keep this short and sweet. Just move your body, move your breath. So stand up, get out of your chair, plant your feet on the floor. You don't need to change clothes. You don't need to do anything special. So plant your feet firmly on the floor. You can even keep your shoes on, but feel the connection between the floor and your feet, and stand up nice and tall. Reach through the crown of your head, and then take your shoulders up by your ears, roll them down and away. And then activate your hands. Take your palms face out, fingers facing down toward the floor. And just close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths here. So breathe in through your nose. Big exhale through your mouth. And 2 more. Breathe in. And out. And last, big breath here. Exhale through your mouth. All right, open your eyes and start to wiggle your fingers. And then start to expand and contract your hands. So we're gonna just shake off any tension that we're holding on to from working on our computer, sitting at our desk. And then continue to squeeze and release and start moving your arms up overhead and increasing the pace. Okay, and as soon as you get to the top, relax your shoulders away from your ears. Continue to squeeze and release a little bit faster. And 3, 2, 1. Release your arms down by your side and then shake them out. Shake out your hands. And then separate your feet just a little bit past your hips, and then start to swing side to side. So just releasing any energy and tension that we have in our hands and our arms and our shoulders, and just increase the pace. So just move your energy a little bit faster. Just let your arms swing side to side with no tension. For 3, 2, 1, and just slow it down, and then come back to center. Bring your feet back to about hip distance apart, so your feet are right underneath your hips. Reach your arms up overhead, connect the palms of your hands together, and then bring them through your heart as you breathe out. And let's do that 2 more times. So big breath in, reach your arms up overhead. Connect the palms of your hands. Exhale, bring your hands through heart center, down, around, in a big circle last time. And exhale, come all the way down through center. Release your arms down by your side. And then on your next big breath in, reach your arms up overhead once again, and we're gonna take a side bend. So just bring either of your arms down by your side. So take your left arm, slide it down your left leg. It could be either arm, doesn't matter. Side bend. Keep your hip right in line with your shoulder. Bring both arms up overhead, and then switch sides. So slide your right arm down your right leg. Reach up and across with your left arm. And then bring both arms up overhead And then take your hands and interlace your fingers behind your back. Get a nice tight squeeze, and then press your both hands down toward the floor. Open up your chest, lift your chin, and then as you exhale, bend both legs and bring your arms up overhead. Release the top of your head down toward the floor. And then come all the way back up. Reach both arms up overhead. And then take your left hand to the top of your head. Doesn't matter which hand, we're gonna do both sides. And then just gently press your ear down toward your shoulder. And then actively reach your right hand or your opposite hand down toward the floor so you can release tension from your neck. And then come all the way back up to center and switch. So take your right hand to the top of your head or your opposite hand, then reach down, feel the stretch on the other side of your neck, and then come all the way back up to center. Bring both arms down along your side, and then bring your chin slightly forward and reach it down towards your chest so you feel a release in the back of your neck. And then come all the way back up. So if you have your chair next to you, next to your desk, go ahead and take your chair, and we're just going to do a couple of stretches right where you are. So just bring your right foot up onto your chair. Take your hands, interlace your fingers, press it down onto your knee, and then gently start to press your knee forward and get a nice stretch to the back of your left leg. And just movement into your right leg. And then come all the way back up and just switch sides. Take your hands, interlace your fingers, bring them to the top of your knee, and then just gently press forward. Then come all the way back up. And then you can take the top of your chair, switch it around, take your hands to the top of your chair. Your chair might be a little bit lower, so you'll have to adjust your stance. But you can walk your feet a little bit further backward, and then take your hands, gentle grip on your chair, and then come into a 90-degree angle, or as close as you can get. Look down at the floor, feel the stretch in your shoulders, feel the stretch in the back of your legs. And then come all the way back up, and then holding on to the back of your chair with your right hand, just bend your left leg, take hold of your foot, bring your knees back together, stand up nice and tall. Maybe kick your foot into your hand and just stretching the front of your left leg. Release and switch sides. So bend your right leg, take hold of your foot, bring your knees together, stand up nice and tall, kick your foot into your hand. Feel the stretch in the front of your right leg. And release. And then come back to a neutral standing position. Bring both arms up overhead, reach up, look up, and then come into a standing forward fold once again. So stretching the back of your legs. You can bend your legs as much as needed, but just kind of reversing the flow of blood in your body. So bringing it back down to the top of your head, breathing deeply here. And then very slowly roll all the way back up into a standing position. And then reach both arms up overhead once again. Connect the palms of your hands. Bring your hands to your heart. So you can connect your thumbs right towards your chest. You can take a gaze down on the floor or close your eyes. Breathe in. Big exhale through your mouth. And take one more deep breath here. And just remember to keep your breath flowing and your body moving. Take those nice stretches for your chest and release tension from your hands and your arms. Thank you so much for joining me for class today. Today, as you go forward, may you have peace in your thoughts, words, and heart. Namaste.